In this video I'm going to show you how to use tea tree oil for dandruff in hair and why it works so well. Tea tree oil is also known as Melaleuca oil and comes from an Australian plant. The oil has certain properties that makes it antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal. The oil is used for several purposes, which includes controlling dandruff, healing minor wounds, and it also helps to kill lice in the hair. Tea tree oil exists in several concentrations, and also it's a strong essential oil. You can find it in certain products such as shower gels, massage oil and shampoos. The oil is first mixed with a carrier oil and then it's applied to the part of the body you need it for. Let's take a closer look at dandruff. Dandruff is a condition of the scalp and its presence is made evident by dry and white flakes of dead skin, which is sometimes accompanied by itching and scratching. There are several causes of dandruff, which include oily irritated skin, dermatitis, skin fungus, dry skin in hair and poor hygiene. The properties of tea tree oil make it moisturising and antifungal, which means it's very effective against the symptoms of dandruff. Of particular importance is a yeast called Melaleuca, which aggravates your scalp and causes excessive skin cell growth. This fungus lives on the scalp of every individual in manageable quantities, but in some people it overgrows. The overgrown fungus on the scalp are often as a result of poor hygiene habits that may not include shampooing. It may also be a result of poor medical condition. Tea tree oil helps to reduce the greasiness, lesions and itchiness associated with dandruff. Here are ways to use tea tree oil in treating dandruff. Purchase a shampoo that has about 5% tea tree oil. Add between 5 to 10 drops of the oil to the shampoo bottle and shake it vigorously. Massage the mixture gently into your scalp and make sure to rinse it through thoroughly. You can also make tea tree shampoo from the very beginning. The recipe of this shampoo makes use of vitamin E oil, coconut milk, olive oil, baking soda, filtered water and also tea tree oil. So to make this homemade shampoo, you're going to need 1/8 of a cup of coconut milk, 2/3 of a cup of baking soda, half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 20 drops of tea tree oil, half a tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 of a cup of filtered water, and you need to combine all these ingredients into a jar, and then you need to shake it really well. This blend will last in the shower for up to a month, and shake well before use, and you only need a little bit of the shampoo to use on your hair. Overall, tea tree oil is just great for hair. Tea tree oil helps to enhance the circulation of the blood in the hair, which helps to flush out different toxins, whilst also stimulating hair follicles that are already dormant. The anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiseptic and antifungal and antioxidant properties of tea tree oil make sure that your hair can stay nice and healthy and also clean. The improved health of the scalp makes the hair follicles more receptive to nutrition, and it also makes sure to unclog pores that help to promote hair growth without any hindrance. Tea tree oil can be used on two types of hair, that's dry hair and oily hair, in order to promote growth. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use tea tree oil for dandruff and general hair, and if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the top 10 benefits of tea tree oil. Thanks for watching and bye for now.